Good day, Mr. Fadligalan. Mabuhay. We would like to welcome you for our presentation today, which we will be discussing the technologically advanced hotels in the Philippines. Now let's proceed for our agenda and the introduction. For our agenda today, we will be discussing the introduction to technologically advanced hotel. The first hotel was the Peninsula Manila. The second one was the Shangri-La at the Fort. The third one was the Crimson Hotel Philinvest City. The fourth one was the Marco Polo Ortigas. And the last hotel was the Discovery Crimea. For our conclusion, we will be discussing the future of hospitality technology. In this section, we will delve into the transformative role of technology in the hospitality sector. As hotels strive to meet the expectation of modern travelers, the integration of advanced technologies has become essential, from artificial intelligence to the Internet of Things. This innovation not only streamline operations but also enhance the overall guest experience. We will also introduce five remarkable hotels in the Philippines that exemplify this trend, each offering unique technological features that elevate their service offering.
The Peninsula Manila, a luxurious experience in Makati City. Hotels as service providers. The Peninsula Manila stands as a beacon of luxury and innovation in the bustling Makati City. Its strategic location make it an ideal choice for the traveler seeking both convenience and comfort. The hotel has embraced technology to streamline the guest experience, from automated check-in processes to smart room controls that allow for a personalized stay. Additionally, the dining experience the Peninsula are redefined through technology, offering guests the ability to customize their meals and make reservations seamless through an app. The Peninsula Manila, a luxurious experience in Makati City. Location, Makati City. Situated in the heart of Makati, the Peninsula Manila is strategically located near business district and shopping centers, making it a prime choice for both leisure and business travelers. Unique features. The hotel offers automated check-in processes, allowing guests to bypass traditional queues. Smart room controls enable personalized settings for lighting, temperature, and entertainment, all accessible via a mobile app. Innovative dining experience with tech integration. Dining at the Peninsula is enhanced through technology with app-based reservation and interactive menus that allow guests to customize their dining experience, ensuring a unique culinary journey.
Hotel 2, Shangri-La at the Fort, a modern oasis in Bonifacio Global City. What services do Shangri-La offer? The hotel provides robot butlers to assist with room service and guest requests. Guests can enjoy smart room technology to easily control their room environment. The property offers luxury accommodations surrounded by premier shopping, dining, and entertainment in BGC. Shangri-La at the Fort. Location: Bonifacio Global City. Located in the vibrant Bonifacio Global City, this hotel is surrounded by shopping, dining, and entertainment options, making it a perfect destination for urban explorers. Unique features: Shangri-La at the Fort features robot butlers that assist with room service and other guest requests, alongside smart room technology that allows guests to control their environment with ease. Sustainability initiatives through technology. The hotel is committed to sustainability, utilizing energy efficient systems and smart technologies to reduce its carbon footprint while enhancing guest comfort and convenience.
Crimson Hotel Philinvest City, a contemporary retreat in Alabang. What services do Crimson Hotel offer? Crimson Hotel Film City offers comfortable accommodations, dining options, a swimming pool, fitness and spa facilities, and services for business meetings and events. Crimson Hotel Film City. Location, Alabang. Nestled in the Alabang area, Crimson Hotel offers a tranquil escape while being conveniently located near business hubs and shopping centers. Unique features. The hotel provides mobile check-in options, allowing guests to bypass the front desk, smart lighting, and climate control systems to create a comfortable environment tailored to individual preferences. Virtual concert services for guests. Crimson Hotel enhances its guest services through virtual concierge options, enabling guests to access information and services via their smartphones, ensuring a seamless experiences.
Marco Polo Ortigas, a premier destination in Ortigas Center. What services do Marco Polo Ortigas? Marco Polo Ortigas Manila provides luxury five-star services including award-winning Cantonese and buffet dining, a full-service spa, and an indoor infinity pool. It also features a sky bar, exclusive Continental Club lounge access, and extensive business and event facilities. Marco Polo Ortigas Location: Ortigas Center. Marco Polo Ortigas is strategically located in the Ortigas Business District, making it an ideal choice for business travelers and tourists alike. Unique features: the hotel boasts advanced security systems that ensure guest safety, alongside app-based room service that allows for convenient ordering from the comfort of the rooms. Focus on guest experience through technology. Marco Polo Ortigas prioritizes guest experience by integrating technology into every aspect of their service, from smart TVs to personalized room settings, ensuring a memorable stay.
Discovery Primea, a fusion of luxury and technology in Makati City. What services do Discovery Primea offer? Discovery Primea is a luxury hotel in Makati that offers high-end rooms and service apartments. Guests can enjoy great food at its restaurants, relax at the spa and gym, or swim in the infinity pool. It also provides elegant spaces for business meetings and private parties. Discovery Primea. Location: Makati City. Discovery Primea is located in the heart of Makati, providing easy access to city's vibrant business and entertainment districts. Unique features: the hotel features voice-activated room controls that allow guests to manage their environment effortlessly, along with high-speed internet to cater to business and leisure needs. Integration of local culture with technology. Discovery Primea seamlessly integrates local culture into its technological offerings, providing guests with a unique experience that reflects in the rich heritage of the Philippines. Discovery Primea blends luxury with technology to serve both business and leisure guests by pairing voice-activated controls and high-speed connectivity with a deep commitment to Filipino culture. The hotel offers a modern stay that remains rooted in local heritage.
In conclusion, the integration of technology in hospitality industry is not just a trend but a necessity for enhancing guest experiences. The hotels we've explored today showcases how innovative features can lead to improved service delivery and guest satisfaction. Looking ahead, we can anticipate even more advancement in hotel technology with a focus on personalization, sustainability, and automation. that will shape the future of the hospitality industry.